to NBTC Champions 2026. It's Badjenting. The pass Senoria. Short. Team Laguna, ball possession. The bounce pass to the corner. The kicks out to the corner. Pass it to number 14, Castillo, to the middle. Pass back, Castillo, to number 18. Palma, pass to number 7. The pass, number 9, launches on 3, no. Rebound, put back, that's good. First blood, it's Badjenting. Pass it to Pellegrino. Pellegrino, bump, spinning, sets, kicks out, corner pass, fires at 3, bang! The net! And here's Team Laguna, number 14, Castillo. Castillo, pass it to the middle. Number 7, spins, goes to the screen, kicks it out, goes to the middle, to the left wings, pass it back to the middle, the attacks, top shot, bullseye! And here's Team of Campus, now at the top, pass it to the middle. Here's number 16, Pellegrino, drives, stops, fakes, clutch, pull-up jumper, bullseye! And for the inbound, looking for the receiver, here's number 14, to the right, to the middle, kicks it out, Castillo, and Castillo spins, open, fires, no. Rebound for Team Laguna, put back shot, no. And the rebound and another put back shot. And the finish. Pellegrino between the legs. Looking for the opponent, attack, spins off the window, basket is good. And it's Team Laguna. Pass to the middle, Palma, right wings. Demas inside, outside, oh na libre. Gandang tira no, reverse layup. Pellegrino cross the mid lane. Pellegrino between the legs, goes to the middle, pull up jumper, that's good. And number 14 with the leather, pass to Palma. Palma pass it back to the left wings. Number 7 between the legs, to the left, drives, kicks out, another drive, rejected by Baterbonia. Backdoor inbound for Team Laguna. The kicks out. 4-3. Boom! 3 points! Baterbonia. Badjenting. Setting the play. Attacking. Side step. Kicks it out. Fires at 3. Senoria. Bang! 3 points! Here's Sapri. To the left. Inside pass. The lace left-handed, basket is good. Looking for the receiver, the bounce pass. Here is Bulasa, the attacks, the stop left-handed with the window. Basket is basket. And the pass back. And number 8. From 3. No. Another top shot, short. Put back shot, basket and 1. Here's Team Laguna. Bump, lost the handle, recovered by number 8. And the pass back, here's number 6. Durian. Durian bump, fires off the window, that's good. For Team Laguna. Number 7. Pass to the left, the fake, drives, levers, lay up, nice good, nice one. Here's Team of Campus. So make way, kicks out, pull up jumper, that's good. Pellegrino, stop, fires at 3, no. Rebound Baterbonia. Badjenting for 3, bang, 3 points. Pellegrino, chest pass, wide open for 3, short. Rebound, put back Senoria, top shot, that's good. Castillo. Pass to Panya. Pass back Castillo. 4-3. Dueñas. Bang! 3 points. Castillo. Pass back Panya. Pass to the middle. Picks. Pass and Pull-up jumper. Bullseye. Number 12. Against Panya behind the back. Goes to the screen. Corner pass. Pellegrino. Pinoy step. Floater of the window. That's good. Pellegrino the rebound. Drives. Gay. What a move. The backdoor inbound. Magenting the receiver. Spins. Attacks. Lays off the window. That's good. And the pass back. Panya. Castillo. Corner. Fakes. Sarno for 3. Bang! 3 points. Pellegrino. Screen by Butterbornia. Stop. Deep 3. Bang! 3 points. Pellegrino by Panya. The high pass. Castillo against Pellegrino. Reverse layup of the window. That's good. Castillo. Castillo. Dancing. Goes to the middle. Pass to number 12. Pass back. Castillo. Durian. Castillo. Fires at 3. Palma. Too strong. Rebound by Bulasa. The bounce pass. Pass it back. Poke. Stop. And fire off. And that's good. And pasa back. Bulasa. Kicks out. Butterbornia. Goes inside. Another extra pass. Fires. Basket and 1. Bulasa. Laguna. Fakes Durian. Goes inside. Kicks out. Another open look. Bang! 3 points. Durian. Against Bulasa. Bulasa. Against Durian. Goes to the screen. Spin kicks out. Poke away stolen. Here's Palma. Dance. Reverse layup. Basket and 1. Number 13. Isikan. Pass to number 17. Bulasa. Goes to the corner. Kicks out. Picks. Goes inside. Another kicks out for 3. Bang! 3 points. Durian to Castillo. To Durian. Durian. Pass to Castillo. Launches on 3. Bang! The nets. Castillo for 3. Bang! Another one. Picks. Stop. Inside pass. Decided to take it easy. Durian goes to the screen. Stop. Open look for 3. Bang! For the lead. 7. Balagtas. Pass to Durian. Durian goes to the screen. Stop. Pass to the middle. Number 16. And the attacks. The drive. The lace. Basket and 1. Bagenting against Durian. Here's Butterbornia. Bagenting. Bulasa, nakalusot, rejected inside. Top shot, Senoria with the finish. Bagenting. Bagenting goes to the left. The bounce pass, corner, Bulasa. No. Rebound, the follow-up shot by number 14. Dueñez, pass to Castillo. Castillo behind the back against Bagenting. The drives, top shot of the window. That's good. High pass. Here comes, spins, lays, basket is good, ties the game. Behind the back, Panya. Bounce pass. Inside pass, ang gandang pass. Anon? What a connection. Inbound. Here's Pellegrino. Pellegrino. Against Dueñez. The attacks, the lays. No. Short. Rebound Butterbornia, the savior. Cayetano launches on 3. No good. Rebound, putback, Bulasa with the finish. Against Pellegrino. Castillo looking for the opponent. Goes to the corner. Attacks, the bump. Pull-up jumper. That's good. Ties the game. Stolen. Here you go, Team Laguna. 3 versus 2. 3 on 3. Space. Nakalusot. Ang gandang pasa. And basket and 1. Apay. And the attack speaks. Bulasa fires. That's good. Up by 1. Ulit tayo mga idol. 67-66. Apay. Pass to Panya. Panya. And the pass to number 17. The floater. That's good. The lucky bounce. Pellegrino against Onya. Pellegrino goes to the screen. Goes to the right. Goes inside. Inside pass to Batarusi. Nausaho the connection. But Castillo. Castillo against number 13. He goes to the screen by corner. Onya drives to the hoops. That's good. On 70. Pellegrino against Onya. The attacks. The pass. Fakes. Fades away. Bullseye. Here's Pellegrino. Now in Harry. The pass. Bulasa with the finish. The long pass. Fakes. Sarno. Pass to number 7. Panya. Panya. Spins. Drives. Kicks out for 3. Bang! Down to 1-point lead. Sonoria. And the long pass. Baterborgia with the finish up by 3. Team of Campus Palma. Palma the high pass. Here comes number 12. Spins. Bump. Spins. Picks. Kicks out. Behind the back dribble. The attacks. The left-handed. Basket is good. Down to 1-point lead. The bump. Pellegrino. The free throw for Maki Pellegrino. That's good. 2-point lead. The last and final free throw for Maki Pellegrino. Another one. 3-point lead. Looking for the receiver. 5 seconds remaining for the final quarter. Natapikan. Stolen. And for the win. For team of Campus